would both say we'd be together forever and a day. Well, I guess that day came sooner than late, cause now we're apart and away. And it feels so straight. NGE, wouldn't you say? I used to call you babe, and you used to obey. And I just wish we could, yeah, yeah, Hey, I got my business together. Wish I can get together, but timing is an error, and I tell a lie to you like never. If I was even ever given another chance to, like I've died and gone to heaven, climbed inside a treasure, died inside a pleasure. Like wow, your smile is but of essence, your child is so precious. I wish it was paternally mine, but karma is a message. But I'ma try to test it and scream for a blessing so loud, and I hope that he catch it. And one day you come falling out of the most highest cloud, then I'll be there to catch you. Yes, I'll be there to let you do the things we didn't do before. Now, that time we had to stretch it, do it, never forget it. I never forgot, I wish that we could. Yes. Hey, I'm just trying to talk to you. If I can talk to you, then I would talk forever and a day. Yes, I remember so vividly how we would be when we lay. And my then blue skies were no longer gray. She so brightened up my day. Put it on the scripture, she would be the picture if perfect had a face. I promise you, homie, that you would be hungry like me if you had a taste. I put it on my mama, cause baby girl is a flower without a vase. No water needed at all, she continues to grow more beautiful every day. And I love her something vicious, and I was just wishing we could. Yeah, put my shades on. I live it up like these on my last days. If time is money, I'm an hour past pay. Gunpowder in my hourglass. Niggas faker than some flour in a powder bag. Yeah, I put it down like my hands hurting. I'm on a natural high, but I land perfect. Some of us are lovers, most of y'all haters. But I put up a wall, and they just wallpaper. So love or hate me, I stay hate free. They say we learn from mistakes, but that's why they mistake me. I got some weight on my shoulders. To me it's like feathers. All hell Weezy, call it bad weather. I stick to the script, I memorize the lines, cause life is a movie that I've seen too many times. You're on the outside looking in, close the blinds, and they say never, but fucking never mind. I've been gone too long, true or false, right or wrong. Hello Weezy, welcome home. Yeah, and I'm a blunt flowing, polo draws showing. I don't give a lovely motherfucker ass nigga with my money growing. No matter between two dots. Young money's eating, the label getting fatter. And yeah, the tables turn, but I'm still sitting at 'em. I'm a bad motherfucker, could the good die young. Everybody selling dreams, I'm too cheap to buy one. Man, when that cookie crumble, everybody wanna crumb. Shoot that hummingbird down, hummingbird don't hum, yeah. Big money, deep pockets. Money talks, and motherfuckers eavesdropping. Bunch of bloods, you could call it blood clotting. East side, my Parudamo, I'm a blunt blowing, polo draw showing. I don't give a lovely motherfuck ass nigga with my teeth glowing. I'm on my depot and you need a bus pass for me to bust your ass, nigga. I'm a blunt blowing, polo draw showing. I don't give a lovely motherfuck ass nigga with my money blowing. No matter where you going, you need a bus pass for me to bust your ass, nigga. Like the Ashton Kutcher, I'm a limit pusher. See y'all dead me, and me I'm just a butcher. I do it for the money, man I am such a hooker. And freedom was my girl, until they fucking took her. You can look into the future, it's fight behind your eyelids. But I don't wanna know, cause shit I like surprises. Why that, why this, why you on that why shit? Motherfucker ask me why, I say why am beach bum. Call me Ocean Drive Slim. Drop the top, look up and make the sky grin. Young moolah, skinnies and some supras. Belly of the beach till it puke us. Motherfucker, blunt blowing, polo draw showing. I don't give a lovely motherfuck ass nigga with my teeth glowing. I'm on my depot and you need a bus pass for me to bust your ass, nigga. I'm a blunt blowing, polo draw showing. I don't give a lovely motherfuck ass nigga with my money blowing. No matter where you going, you don't need a bus pass for me to bust your ass, nigga. I've been gone too long, true up folks right around. Yeah, I've been gone too long, true up folks right around. Said I've been gone too long, true up folks right around. Hello, easy, welcome home. Welcome home. Young moolah, baby. Young moolah, baby. Young moolah, baby. Bitch, I've been gone too long, true up folks right around. Hello, easy, welcome home. Yeah. Wine in my tall glass, young money, baby, big shit like a horse ass. Stacks in my backpack, shades on, hat back, Bugatti back black, where they do that at? South Beach, Miami, who? I'm probably with Tammy too. My life is a video and the women want their cameo. I just want them pantyhose and I'm higher than Geronimo. And I got them tools, tell them boys that could get mechanical. Now pop that pussy like a fofo. I turn you around and bend you over like a low blow. It's young money, baby, we the fucking greatest. We done put them other niggas on a hiatus. Beat your bitch with the pump if she denied data. Cause I'll serve anyone like a blind waiter. I make my girl come first and I arrive later. I shake you pussies up, I'm a vibrator. Getting money like hell yeah. This shit so good, it don't even smell bad. And you can tell Dad that I'm a motherfucker. You niggas bet not slip. Ice road truckers, light pole barrel, chopper stupid long. New Orleans nigga, I get super dome. Loyal to the game been good to me. Still spitting fire, you niggas wood to me. We on nigga, let them hoes know. Young money lay 'em down like old folks. You coming with it? We coming for it. Plenty to go around. Now watch the money orbit. Real shit, people, not just absorbing. I tried to pay attention, but y'all mad boring. And I got so much swag, I need an ad for it. And I don't like to brag, so my bitches brag for me. Oh, she a good girl, I got her transforming. She give me hot head, I call it global warming. If we gon' do it, dawg, let's do it now. I am more animal than the zoo allow. Put me in the wild, I'll be there for a while. You niggas little league, call them Curacao. Energize the money, it keep going. I'm laid up, I'm free throwing. Who rebounded? Who gives a shit? Fuck that, I got 27 years of this. Hit or miss, I hit your misses. You are local news, I'm 60 minutes. I hit the target, I hit the witness. I work out in my office, guess I'm fit for business. Too many visions, completed missions. Still icing out crosses, keep it Christian. We consistent, the streets commend it. Weezy F, baby, the F is for forensics. From start to finish, you same Wayne. Okay, you're doing your thing, well things change. You plain Jane,